Are you thinking about getting a lawn irrigation system installed at your property? If you are, you probably have a lot of questions, and I'm here to answer the top 80% of questions that I heard. My name is Olin Unruh. I'm with Wetlands Irrigation and Turf, and I've been doing this for 15 years, so I have heard almost all of the questions. The first question that I typically get is, what type of sprinkler heads do you use? And that depends. The answer is, depending on the lawn, the layout, we have several different options to maximize your lawn irrigation. A rotor head covers the bigger, larger areas. It pops up, does a single stream, oscillates back and forth. Then we have our next option, which is the MP rotator. It's a mass precipitation spray head that waters nice and slowly, is highly efficient, and works well. You know, another question that we get often is, will this damage my existing lawn? We use a vibratory plow which lines the piping into the ground and with very minimal disturbance to the lawn that you have. Sometimes we get asked about controller locations, and controllers often go in the garage or outside. They're weatherproof, so really they just need 110 power and they can go a lot of places. And with the invention and the rise of smart controllers that run off your phone and your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi, they can go almost anywhere in your house that you have good Wi-Fi. How long does it take? A lot of people want to know, how long is it going to take to install this irrigation system? And the answer is, depending on your size of your lawn, 1 to 3 days. If we have, really tight, really small areas, it could take longer, or big trees, things that add labor and complexity to the system can take longer. We also can irrigate landscape beds. We use drip system technology, which is basically very similar to a soaker hose, and we lay that in throughout the beds to each of the plants. Or if you have annual beds where you change it from year to year, we just grid the bed. Every 18 inches we'll put a line, and that makes it so you can plant anywhere along that bed and have irrigation. Another question we get asked is water connection. How do you hook up to the water? Well, typically we will connect in the meter or near the meter if you are on city water. If you have a well, we can connect to the well and program it so that your well turns on when the irrigation system runs. One more question that we hear often is, does this system need to be winterized? And yes, systems in Kansas need to be winterized, as they are installed above the frost-free level, just meaning that in January or February, as it warms up, frost moves down and it will move through the level of that irrigation system. So winterization is necessary in Kansas. So if you're ready for the next steps, just reach out to our team. You can call us, you can text us, or email us, and we'll get a site visit set up where we can walk your site, answer any other questions you have, and build a customized quote for your lawn irrigation system. Thanks for watching.